Hey friends, today we are reviewing the cooking book sticker activity. It comes with 400 reusable stickers and 10 sceneries, and it's all about food. So let's get into today's page. Today's scenery is a table set for a sushi dinner. Here are the stickers we are going to be using to decorate this page. So let's get started. What can we spot? I can spot a square-shaped sushi. If you want to follow along, check for the link below. Let's place some more over here. So, what else? There's some shrimp sushi here. We can spot some soup in this plate. I can also spot some chopstick here. If you want to follow along, you can check the link below. There's a small dish of soy sauce and ginger pieces. Let's place the round sushi roll in this plate. Here are some more. There's shrimp sushi here. If you want to follow along, you can check the link below. So, what else? I can spot a sushi roll on this plate. What can we spot on this plate? Let's place some more sushi here. There's some shrimp sushi here. Let's add some more sushi rolls to this. Here is one more. Let's place some more sushi here. There are more in this plate. Let's add a set of chopsticks. There's another dish of soya sauce. That was it for today. See you soon. Subscribe and like for more videos.